we're creatively adapting the existing space for a new purpose, optimize production capabilities for single-use suite CGT operations from cell culture to bulk fill, minimize impact to GMP operations, and use of risk assessment to mitigate strategies for new segregation operations, and maximize the use of close processing equipment. So in other words, what we did is an FMEA. We went through and looked at how we were going to utilize single-use equipment as much as possible, and especially around product contact, but we also were worried about the BSL-2 level that we had to deal with, and we had to deal with equipment segregation. So again, it was an existing microbial suite, so we wanted to make sure that we had clear equipment segregation of what was going in and out of that suite. We retrofitted the existing harvest and capture area, and this kind of gives you an idea of what the footprint looked like of the area. So it was a significant area of the first floor that was affected by this retrofit. There was concerns about providing required segregation of operations. So if they had any kind of ongoing operations in other areas, we had to be sure that we had the proper segregation. Potential impacts to ongoing, they said GMP operations, limited range of temperatures for product stability, ability to include all necessary operations. So again, this was a single area, end to end. We had to be sure that we could do the end-to-end operations in the areas that we had, and these areas were set up as a way to be dedicated to viral vector manufacturing during processing.